Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi aphila-ke. Mina ngicela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke mangabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje okubiza imali kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke lemnyama-ke leli-ke khonze wazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje ngizoloke ngiy'faka-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuze ungaphuthisi iy'ndaba ongenza njengamanje ukuthi-ke ungabe ucindezela-ke ibhathini subscribe njengamanje-ke udaba okulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana-ke lithi-ke sekhona-ke osovelile laphana-ke veza ukuthi-ke kuney'nkinga-ke laphana-ke futhi-ke kwi-ANC na-ke laphana-ke wabhala-ke ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana-ke laphana-ke phakathi-ke kuka-Ramaphosa-ke noZikalala. Makufundela-ke le post-ke biveza yonke-ke le nto-ke laphana-ke ibithi-ke the Deputy Minister of Public Works and Infrastructure, Sihle Zikalala, has finally opened up after 3 months about his demotion in the Government of National Unity. Zikalala served as a minister in this department in the previous administration, and in this seventh administration, Ramaphosa demoted him to be the deputy minister despite him having multiple degrees. To make the matter worse, he was replaced by someone who does not even have a single tertiary qualification, the DA's Dean McPherson. Ramaphosa replaced Zikalala, who has degrees, with McPherson, who has only a matric. The nerve kuCyril, high shame, uyagowisha uZikalala as he has opened up and stated that it was such a difficult moment ever, and even now it's difficult that he has to be under a matriculant, yet he is more qualified. Lapha-ke kusho-ke uZikalala. Bese ngicela phansi-ke ungene mu-comment section-ke ushiye uvo lwakho ukuthi wena ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke bese uyangiqhasa-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje akubiza imali kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke lemnyama-ke leli-ke khonze wazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje ngiyifaka-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke.